Hi guys, welcome to Bitxoxo channel. Please don't forget to subscribe our channel for latest updates and check description box below for Bitxoxo website and social media page links. In this video, I am going to show you how to sell Bitcoin. Please follow the instructions carefully. Log into your Bitxoxo account with your registered email ID and password. You can see your BTC here on your dashboard. Click on trade and you will be redirected to the buy and sell page of Bitxoxo. Click on sell. We never charge any fee to sell Bitcoin. The minimum sell limit is Rs 5,000. Enter your BTC you wish to sell here. The same quantity of INR will get visible on INR here as per the current sell rate. Click on sell and a confirmation box will appear on your screen. Cross-check your details and click on confirm. A pop-up message of successful trade sell will appear on your screen. Go back to your dashboard and now refresh your window. Now you can see the BTC wallet turns to 0 and sold BTC amount in your INR wallet here. Don't forget to subscribe our channel for the upcoming videos. Thanks for watching. Bitxoxo, India's fastest Bitcoin exchange.